CUCV lights. Should be no trouble. It's a Chevy truck. You got a light switch and it's good or it doesn't. Now, the blackout lights make you think when you have troubles, it's got to be that switch. Because the manual says do this and that. If it doesn't work, hot wire that switch and it'll probably work. In the dash 20 troubleshooting section, it says that several times. But I was exercising the truck yesterday afternoon, went to town. I remember turning my blinkers on to turn at one point and I saw them flashing. Cross railroad tracks. My blinkers on, nothing. What the heck? Got to where I was going for a trail life meeting and got out, turned the lights on, got out, looked. I had no lights of any kind. Oh, man. No blinkers, no headlights, nothing. I was in a uniform, so I didn't want to crawl my nice clean floor to look underneath. So I didn't. I just only got 2.5 miles to come home. Once I was out there by dark, I thought I'd be okay. And I was. So I came out, looked at it this morning, and I don't remember this being a problem before. But obviously it is because I used the power probe to start checking fuses. And fuse on the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to show you the fuse panel in a second. See all that black there? It tested good. I probed on each side of that and beep, beep, I had voltage. But look at that black burn. And then I was like, what the heck is this? What the heck? I had forgotten that this fuse kept coming out on me a long time ago. I was losing contact. So I actually put I took another bad fuse, cut the leg off of it, and stuck them in there together to double it. Well, that was younger, dumber me. I'm not sure when I did that. Bought the truck in 10. So sometime in the last 15 years, I did that. Obviously, this fuse, though, even though it said beep, beep, I had power there, it wasn't getting anything through. So what I did, let me see if I can show this without hurting the camera or turn it off or anything else. Let's see if we can see. Okay. This fuse right here, not going to focus on it. That one, I'm touching. Got power there, got power there. Now, the reason I had to put the extra leg in there, this is a dental pick. I bought these. I'll actually put a link on Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, yeah, they're made in India. I'm a member of the Amazon affiliate program, which means if you follow the link in my description and buy something, I get a small percentage. You pay the same price. But small picks, dental picks, they're great. What I did was I pulled this fuse out, saw how I had rigged it up, and or as my students used to say, I ghetto fabbed it. I don't remember doing that though, but I'm sure I did. I pulled the fuse out, put this into the container, the little lead inside the fuse panel, and just pulled them together. And now it works just fine. Well, it did a second ago. See, do I have lights now? Yes, I still have lights. Ha ha ha! I have lights, and I'm not using a wedged in there fuse. So on a CUCV, if you have no lights of any kind, because supposedly in the manual, this, and this, those 3 spots are all supposed to be for lights, blinkers, and flashers. If everything stops working, then the bottom right fuse is the first thing to check. And I can't get that to focus. I'm sorry. So that's the first thing to check. Bottom right fuse. And if yours is melted into the plastic of the fuse panel, a dental pick is a good way to pull it back together so you can put a fuse in there. Anyway, teachable moment for the day. Hope it helps.